In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to check Fairmoney referral code, or how to invite someone to Fairmoney. So all you just have to do, just log into your Fairmoney account. Then on the top right, on the top left, sorry, where you see welcome to Fairmoney, just click on that icon at the left side. Then you're gonna see the page just like this. So the next thing you're gonna do is to click on invite friends. So once you click on invite friend, you're gonna see this page just like this. So you can see invite friend and earn up to 12,500 naira, and they also explain how you can actually earn up to that. And the reward listed below if your referred friend complete the related action within 30 days of joining. So the first one is 7,500 cash back on first loan take and repayment, and the second one is up to 2,000 naira cash back on first fair lock account creation, and the third one is earn up to 1,000 naira cash back on first electricity top up, and then the next one is flat 200 naira cash back if your friend upgrade to KYC 3 bank account, whereby like when the person actually input their BVN to their account. Then the next one is earn up to 700 naira cashback on first mobile data recharge, and also followed by 1,000 naira cashback for all services are unlocked. So if all these things actually made up, like the person you refer do all this, you're gonna earn up to 12,000 naira from 1,500 naira from the person. So the next thing you're gonna do to generate your referral or invitation code is to click on invite now. So once you click on invite now, then you can share the link directly to the person you actually want to send it to, and there you'll be able to see your referral ID. So let's say, for example, I want to send it to someone via SMS. So I'm gonna click on message. Then you can see how it's showed like this. So I'm gonna click on or find someone contact to send it to. So let me click on this contact. Then this is my referral code. You can see download now Fairmoney. So my referral code is JV2YX. So you can see this is my referral code, and if anyone actually sign up through my link, then I will be able to earn all those commission just like that. So that is how you can actually check your referral code, and of course how to invite someone to Fairmoney. So it's very easy, simple, and also you can actually make a lot of money from it if you have a lot of people that you can actually refer to the platform and they start using it. So that is it.